LCD Player Operation Demonstration Tutorial. Connect LCD digital signage controllers with PC through LAN cables or Wi-Fi or a router. This is a connection diagram. Run software LCD Player in PC. Click Program Management List and create new program. Input program name and set up LCD signage resolution. Edit program. You can add image, video, text, time content, and so on. After finished editing, then click Save Program and back to Program List. Then select the new program and click Batch Release. Select Devices and click Confirm button. Wait seconds. After program replacing progress finished 100%, the content will be shown in LCD signages. In addition, LCD Player also supports rich functions, such as brightness settings, volume settings, switching and restarting equipment. We are original manufacturer of LCD Android controllers. If you have any requirements, welcome contact us.